back, YouTubers and supporters. On a very hot summer day in Florida, I can't wait to get this rare blue carbon fiber trim pieces installed for my 2013 Audi A4 rebuild project. And before I get straight to installing these parts, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, as I post clues and other cool projects of mine on my page. And if you have questions, concerns, or doubts, you can also message me on there too. Now let's get straight to installing these parts. The tools that you're going to need is pretty simple. You can use anything from a credit card to guitar pick to actual trim tools I have right here, plastic trim tools. Here's an Easter egg. My car's a front wheel drive, but yet it came factory with a Quattro, and that's how I got the car just a little bit cheaper. But it doesn't matter, as I will be converting to Quattro in the next couple of weeks. And if you haven't seen my videos from a couple weeks ago, I did buy somewhat of an interior for my 2013 Audi A4. I'm converting these ugly beige seats to the red and black S4 seats. I still have not installed them yet. I will be installing them pretty soon. As you can tell, this is a project car. Look at the way it looks. And it's because it's been sitting here for 10 months in a garage. Yes, with the windows were closed. The windows are usually open when I'm working on the car or in the garage, so I could play some music when I connect the battery to the car. But obviously the windows are usually closed, but this is just Florida weather taking a toll on this car, which I will be replacing the whole ugly beige dirty interior with either black or red Alcantara and or suede interior, including headline liner. Now let's remove this piece. So we're going to grab our trim tool pieces and we're going to start wedging it in here. Remember, it's plastic, so it won't damage the dash. Stick it in there, and you got to pry up a bit. And now that I wedged it, it's pretty loose from this angle. Now that I have that angle lifted up, I'm going to grab another trim tool and just slide it up across. And now that it's wedged out, we can slowly start removing this. Now that it has been removed, we can install a new piece. Literally, just press slowly on each side. And it gets flushed in. And there it is. Look how clean that looks. Now let's start doing this side. So the first thing we're going to do is get our tools, put one in here, put another one here. Unfortunately, that one snapped off. And in a credit card size looking tool right here, which I pressed really hard and pushed up, and I was able to get space to put this fourth piece in here. And now that I've made an opening, we can then slowly just pop this out. But remember, look at how the other ones are. So after I wedged my hands in there, I kind of just started popping this out. Remember, look at the pieces you have, or my pieces, that way you know how to remove them, because you don't want to snap these clips off. That would be bad, because I could still resell this and make some money out of it. And there you go, nothing is broken. Now let's install the new piece. And now to get the new piece in, you're going to follow step by step exactly how you remove the other one, the opposite of how you're going to install it. So we're going to start backwards, push that tab in first, getting flushed in, and we're going to push this one in here too. See if we can bring that in there. There you go. That's in there. It's almost flushed in. Now we're just going to slowly press down till the clips get clipped into place. And there we go. That is flush. This is how I'm going to do it. This one, I'm going to wedge in here first to get that angle. And I'm going to get the credit card looking size. And just put it in here and slide. Once I built a little small wedge in there, I'm going to grab my other one and slowly pry down in there. It's going to be a bit tricky. I'm actually going to get this one first. Put it in here. And then I'm going to build some pressure. Fit this one in here. Oh, wow. Okay. I have this one here. I'm going to slide to the right. There you go. Okay, now this one has to go under. There you go. It's now under. and slowly. Remember these tabs, you gotta push out to your right. So you gotta be careful not to snap those. There you go. Perfect. Remember, left side goes in first. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo my whole doors too, because these doors are all scratched up. But I had to make a video for you guys, so that's what I'm doing. Left side goes in first. And then, voila. Wasn't that hard. Let's see if this one I can flush it in a bit more. There we go. Now it's flushed in place. Clean, right? Same concept applies, but it's a bit different. We're gonna start backwards this time. Pry out from here. And actually it's coming off a bit easier than I expected. There you go, one off. Let's see which was the right one to install. Gotta be the longer one. Let me compare them both. Okay. Should be this one. Aha, that was easy. Last but not least, passenger rear left side. Try to pry it out from here. See if we can wedge something in there. Okay. There you go. Sometimes it's a bit tricky, sometimes it's pretty easy. Push in. Make sure to put these notches in first. See if we can get in there. There we go, it's clipped in. Now we slowly press into place. And there you guys have it. Unfortunately, I'm having an issue getting the console out. It's due to the restricted space I have. I can't get enough space to remove the console in here and to install this carbon fiber trim piece, and I'm going to have to save that for another day. Unfortunately, yesterday it was blazing hot and I couldn't work in the garage, so I had to do this today, but today was just raining. You can see the weather kind of got better. But I'm pretty hungry, so I'm going to call it a day for now, and I'll install this in the next one. I apologize I couldn't do that today. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more crazy weekly cars and tech content. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.